Okay, so this is number 51 for the review. Okay, so here's angle A, angle B, and angle C of this triangle. You can see B is a right triangle. Okay, A is not, C is not, and they're listed right here. These are the angles. Okay, then we have sides. We have AC, that's hypotenuse, right? So this is always H, and it's not going to change. Okay, and AB is right here. That's one of the legs. It's called small leg, short leg, because it's shorter than this leg, which is BC. Okay, so two legs and one hypotenuse is our triangle. Okay, now to look at the first letter A. Okay, see, for angle A, this is the opposite right here. Okay, so if we do A that says leg opposite to angle A, you know, opposite to A is BC. It's far away from it. Okay, so we're going to write down BC, and we're going to make a bar here. Now, opposite to C is going to be AB. Okay, opposite is far away. So the sign is going to be, if you remember, so is opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is going to be BC over AC. Okay, that's right here, this guy right there. Okay, the cosine is ka, means is adjacent over hypotenuse. And adjacent to A is going to be AB, the short one, right? Adjacent means right next to it. So it's AB over AC. Okay, and it's AB over AC, right here. Okay, then tangent is opposite over adjacent, so opposite is going to be BC over AB. Okay, so you're using two times of each one for sine, cosine, and tangent. When we do angle C is here, then this becomes opposite. Okay, so sine of C will be AB over AC. Okay, the hypotenuse never changes. It's the longest side. Now the cosine is going to be adjacent, which is BC over AC. And tangent is going to be AB over BC, you know, that's opposite, over adjacent. Then the angle, which sine is BC and AC, BC over AC, you know this is the opposite, right? So opposite of BC, right here, opposite, is going to be A. So we're going to say angle A. The angle whose tangent is ABBC, then this is going to be opposite over adjacent. So opposite, that's AB, is going to be C. Okay? Then the hypotenuse is going to be AC. Put a bar over it. Okay, when you say a segment, it's going to be a bar over it. So we're going to go to the next page. And A and B complementary. Complementary means they are 90 degrees, which is true. Okay, because you can see A and B, 90 degrees. Okay, and this is 90. Altogether 180 for triangle. And if you can remember, this right here, we can put a number. Let's say put a 30 degrees on it, okay? And this is 60 degrees, just to help us to see it, okay? Now you can see 30, 60, 90 is 180. Then A and B together is 90. And 90 take away B, which is 30, right? 90 minus B, 90 minus 30 is going to be 60, which is A. So this is again true. Okay? The tangent A is opposite, which is BC. I'm going to write it here. Okay, BC over AC. Then sine A is opposite over hypotenuse. So it's BC over AB. Right, then all of this is over cosine A, which is adjacent, which is AC, over AB. If you notice, right here is about the same, right? It's just these AB will cancel out. So it's just going to be BC over AC. So again, this is true because they're equivalent. Okay? Now, this right here is a little bit different. So I'm going to switch the color just a little bit. Okay. See this right here? Is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The old Pythagorean theorem. Okay. Pythagorean Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's this. Remember, c is the longest side. Okay, it's AB. C is by itself. This is the c squared. So which is correct? Okay, so again, this is true. Sine A equal cosine B? Yes, because sine A is opposite, which is BC over AB. Okay, BC over AB. Then the cosine B is adjacent, which is BC over AB. Okay, they're both BC over AB. So true again. Cosine A is here. Cosine A is AC over AB over AB. Okay. Then sine 90 minus A. 90 minus A is going to be 30. So it's talking about this angle, angle B. Then of course, it's opposite, which is AC, over hypotenuse, which is AB. So again, this is true. Then if A equals B, okay, if A equals B in this case, we kind of have to redraw it, okay? It's 90 degrees here, and we have B here, there's A here, and they're both 45. So 45, 45, and 45, 45 is true, okay? Because this is sine 45 equals sine 45, which must be true. Okay, next one, sine A. Remember, A is here. So sine A is going to be opposite, which is 12, over 20. That's sine A. And sine B, B is here, is opposite, which is 16, over hypotenuse, 20. They're not equal. So the answer, so her thing is no. Okay? So we can go to the next page.